Hello guys, my name is Dr. Nadeem Khan. Today I am going about cholesterol synthesis. So in this video I will talk about the cholesterol synthesis, its steps, what is its importance, and let's go. The cholesterol, it is steroid. So all the steroid hormone are synthesized into the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and cholesterol also steroid, so its synthesis occur both into cytoplasm, also smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the cholesterol is steroid which is synthesized into cytoplasm plus smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and its synthesis take four steps, and three steps occur into the cytoplasm and fourth step occur into the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So it has four phases. The first phase, in which acetyl CoA convert into mevalonate. Second phase, mevalonate convert into isoprenoid 6 unit. Third phase, isoprenoid 6 unit convert into isoqualene, and fourth phase, squalene convert lanestrol, and lanestrol convert into zymostrol, which convert into cholesterol. So let's start first phase. For example, patient take carbohydrate which convert into glucose. The glucose convert into pyruvate. The pyruvate convert into acetyl CoA. So two molecule of acetyl CoA convert into acetoacetyl CoA by help of enzyme that is known as thiolase. And this thiolase enzyme convert 2-acetyl CoA into acetoacetyl CoA. Then this acetoacetyl CoA convert into HMG CoA by help of enzyme HMG CoA synthase. This HMG CoA synthase further convert into mevalonate by help of HMG CoA reductase. It is very important enzyme which is rate limiting enzyme. And also HMG go into the cholesterol pathway, also ketone body synthesis pathway also. So here is HMG CoA synthase work, which convert HMG CoA into acetoacetate ketone body. Which is first detected in urine. This is first phase. It is first phase first, which occur into cytoplasm. Now going to second phase. Here is bivalronate convert into isoprenoid 6 unit. This bivalronate goes into 3 kinase step when it convert into isoprenoid step. Isoprenoid 6 unit, then it going to 3 kinase step and also undergo decarboxylation, then convert into isoprenoid 6 unit. This is second phase which occur in cytoplasm. And phase 3 6 isoprenoid unit convert into squalene by help of enzyme that is known as squalene epoxidase, which is present in cytoplasm. Then phase 4, this squalene we can take here. Squalene convert into lanstroid, then convert into gymnostroid, then convert into cholesterol. It is 4 steps that occur in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So fourth step take place in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now when the cholesterol synthesis also some intermediate also synthesized. So the intermediate of cholesterol synthesis are first dolicol, second ubiquinone, third one heme. It is very important for electron transport chain. So those patients who has high cholesterol in the body, dyslipidemia or increased lipoprotein or increased cholesterol in the body or hypercholesterolemia, then the patient take statin drug. This statin inhibit HMG CoA reductase. Then the cholesterol synthesis not happen. Cholesterol synthesis all step are inhibited. So then ubiquinone not form. Then this electron transport complex not work. The patient develop myopathy. Now the regulation of cholesterol synthesis. The first stage HMG CoA reductase. Second, allostatic regulation. Inhibition of mevalonate. Second is cholesterol. Then bile acid. Then covalent modification. Then I am going to discuss repression by the cholesterol. How the cholesterol synthesis prevented or stopped when the body synthesizes the cholesterol. Then how the body prevent overproduction of the cholesterol. For example, this is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is nucleus. The cholesterol here is synthesized and it come out. Here is cholesterol that come out. Cholesterol, and it cross the nuclear membrane and come out inside the nucleus. Here is DNA. Here is gene is present, that is steroid regulation element. Steroid regulation element protein. It gives signal to steroid regulation element protein. This steroid regulant protein that gives signal HMG CoA reductase gene, then this gene is overexpression has been inhibited. Then the cholesterol, then HMG CoA reductase enzyme is inhibited. Inhibited, then the cholesterol synthesis has been stopped. So, and one important point also, those who have the hypercholesterolemia, they take dinner early, because when they take dinner late in night, then the diet have the more that contain the carbohydrate that fully convert into glucose, then convert into pyruvate, then acetyl CoA, which gives signal to HMG CoA reductase. This HMG CoA reductase enzyme, it form more cholesterol, so it lead to further hypercholesterolemia and increase risk of coronary heart disease, atherosclerosis, deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary vein thrombosis, and also lead to stroke. It is all about cholesterol synthesis. Please like and subscribe the channel.